How effective treatment with papaya cancer cure cancer? If the disease is quadriplegia, especially with cervical cancer, dangerous. But whether the information that each other using papaya cancer cure cannot believe it, please take a look. Write the following. On the social network has spread many articles about papaya cigarette smoking cure. So whether papaya leaves are effective against cervical cancer? And how does pap smear treatment work? Please refer to the following article. Learn about papaya leaves treatment method. Papaya cigarettes cure cancer. Cervical cancer is the anxiety and obsession of women. As life progresses, the incidence of cervical cancer increases. Currently there is a vaccine against cervical cancer, but most of the women are still not accessible. In case of illness, proper treatment is necessary to protect the best health of the women. On the web is handed down a cure for papillary cancer from papaya leaves with many promises that will prevent many sisters, especially the women who are curious and wondering about the authenticity of the drug. The drug is commonly transmitted on the social network of papaya leaves for cervical cancer as follows. Papaya leaves washed, dried, chopped, gold star, land if you want. Store in sealed container for long-term storage. Fresh lemongrass roots are washed, dried, canned. Also store in closed containers for long-term use. Dry papaya leaves, mixed with lemongrass to make tea for drinking. Regularly drink water every day. Add carrot juice or custard juice depending on different variations. According to the drug, if drinking regularly in a month, there will be positive changes. Drink until you get sick. After cure, continue to drink to prevent tumor back. The truth about papaya cigarettes cure cancer. In fact, papaya leaves have some effects in boosting immunity, digesting proteins and some other effects. But there is no scientific basis to prove that papaya leaves are effective against cancer. Thus, papaya leaves for cervical cancer are unfounded. However, the use of papaya tea as medicine on the place where it acts as a psychological therapy, helping patients bring more hope. Papaya tea also has an analgesic effect on patients during chemotherapy or radiation therapy. Tips for women with cervical cancer. In the unfortunate case, the advice for the sisters is as follows. Follow treatment as directed by your doctor. There is hope for modern Western medicine. Oriental medicine should only be a supportive tool. Remember that there is no traditional medicine that can cure cancer. Never waste money, time, effort for the drug has not been tested as papaya leaves cancer cure. If you use papaya tobacco as a cure for cervical cancer, consider other factors, especially gastrointestinal disease. Papain in papaya leaves can cause stomach upset, even gastric bleeding. Be aware that you are allergic to papaya leaves. Prevention is better than cure. The use of cervical cancer vaccine is recommended, accompanied by a full and scientific gynecological schedule. In case of signs of the disease, should go to the prestigious medical facilities to be diagnosed and treated at the earliest. Do not treat yourself or use drugs at all. Consult your doctor when you have any questions.